In today's video, I wanted to share some of my favorite contour, blush and highlight products, starting with contour first. This is where I like to place my contour, and I love using brushes, and I cannot wait to share some of my favorites that I've been using. Starting with this W face palette called Be Yourself. You've seen this recently in the video that I did with Malvika, and I love using this. Very similar to that is the Contour de Force palette in the shade Vivid Victory. I also quite like the contour in this palette and I use it quite a lot. And then I love this contour kit from Smashbox. It is really nice because it has both a cool toned and warm toned color. And then similar to that is the K Beauty Contour and Highlight Pro palette, which has all matte colors, and you also get the cool toned and warm toned colors here. Next, I also love the Huda Beauty Tontour. This is a beautiful creamy product, super pigmented. And lastly, I love Give Me Sun from MAC. This is an oldie but a goodie. I've used it so much, love it. So to apply the contour or bronzer, this is the placement that I love, starting from my earlobe to the corner of my lip, and I love angling it that way. And I also sometimes, not always, like to contour my nose, and this is how I like to do it, using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. I feel like it really targets the product and doesn't make it look muddy. And then follow it up with blush right on top of the contour. So this is where I would like to ideally place it, and then blend it across. Some of my favorites are this one. I love blushes from Milani, and this trio is so beautiful. It looks so natural. And I've also been really loving cream blushes like this one from Simply Nam. This shade Maid of Honor is so beautiful. And I also really love this Love Earth multi-pot. If you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen this very often. Next, I love the K Beauty matte blushes, especially in the shade called Soft Nude. It's a beautiful everyday rosy blush shade, and you will see a pattern here. I love rose colored blushes, and this one from Wearified is great as well, followed by this one from Peripera, which you must have seen in one of my haul videos. I love the shade called Dusky Rose. And then this is where I like to apply it, like I mentioned, right on top of the contour and making sure I pull it towards my temple. And then moving on to highlighter, I like to place it right on top of the blush, so it kind of melts into the blush and it reflects the light. I love me some good ones. Now this one is kind of like a blush and highlighter mixture. You can use it as a blush, you can use it as a highlighter. And then this one's a classic. If you've not tried Soft and Gentle, it is going to blow your mind. It's so beautiful. I love it. And then this one from Maybelline is really nice as well. Molten Rose Gold, very warm, very pigmented. Speaking of pigmented, you need to have Champagne Pop. This is iconic, super pigmented, super soft, super buttery. I love it. And Champagne Fizz from K Beauty is actually an amazing dupe for Champagne Pop. It's equally creamy, soft, buttery. And then this one from Charlotte Tilbury. Oh my god, so luxurious, so beautiful. It's such a nice experience, and I love the formula and finish. I also like to take my highlighter right underneath my brows, on the brow bone, and also a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Sometimes I really like to shine that up. But I feel like makeup is really personal. There are no rules. You can apply it however you deem fit and whatever makes you feel fabulous. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and loved the recommendation, and I'll see you in my next video.